Welcome back, traders, to today's video on swing trading technical analysis US oil. Right, we're basically going to be looking at the opportunities that we can find, and bearing in mind, because this is a swing trading channel, some of the drawbacks of a channel like mine is that sometimes the opportunities that we talk about, we kind of have to wait for, and in waiting it may be a lot longer than you might want it to be, but such is the game that we play. So going off, just looking at what I can see on the market in the charts right now, right, is the focal point for us right now is what's going on in this area right here. Okay, now I've put on some labels before. Chances are I placed these there on the last video that I did, and I probably would have said something along the lines of, we're looking for sales from this location down here, which is 62.80, and we're looking for buys above this level right here, and that is 66.00. Now, as it stands, where we have price right now, okay, is we actually have price below the value area low of the volume profile, okay, and it's currently sitting in a low volume node at the moment right now. Okay, so here's price, the low volume node right here. Okay, so as it stands, right, there's two ways you can play this. So looking at the structure that we may be getting forming right now, okay, there is a possibility that price would do something like this. I think the highlighter that I'm using isn't really okay. Let's use this. Price could do something like this. It could just do something like this, and it may break above and then continue to the upside, right? That's just one vibe. The other is it keeps doing what it's doing, but then breaks back down again, and then maybe comes into this area right here. And the area that we're talking about, so the top side, that will be 59.07, and the bottom side will be 55.13. So these are the directions that price could go into today. Well, not today, sorry, in the coming days, maybe next week, because the thing with the swing trade is a lot of the times we have to wait, right? Well, we're stuck in a game and we have to wait for the opportunities to present itself. This is one of the drawbacks of being a swing trader, but also it means that we get it right more often than we're wrong, right? The day trade is the real casino. It's tricky business. Don't get me wrong, it can be done, and if you want to learn the game, learning day trading style will definitely make you better for swing trading, because essentially what you're doing is everything that you've been doing in a shorter period of time is now done in a longer period of time, but you're looking for the same things. But it's just that on the day and on the week, those signals are a lot stronger than they are on the 4 hour or on the hour or on the 15 minute or on the 5 minute. Now, some of us can wait, some of us can't. It's just how it goes, and that would be my recommendation, right? So that's a little rant there. I'm trying to control my ranting, because I know I do a lot of it, right? So with all of these squiggly lines drawn out, I want to show you something, right? I think I've shown this to you guys before, but I'll show you something, okay? So this is the view of oil that I like looking into, right? And that is the overall trading zone for oil. In this setup, what you're looking at right now, right, I'll break it down to you. You might like it, you might not. It is what it is, right? So regardless of how oil is looking, if I ever see oil in this area right here, anywhere in this area, I'm buying. I am buying. That's it. If I see oil anywhere in this area, I'm selling. That's it. That is it. That what I've just shown you there, that's the oil game. That is the oil game I've just showed you. So on that note, my friends, Based on everything that I've showed you today, these are the plays that I'm expecting to take place with oil for this week. Now, with that said, we need to bear in mind where price is currently at and what price could do moving forward. And we need to work off what is actually is logical versus what is not logical. So we want to take orders only, especially if you're looking for buys, only above 66.00, right? Anything below that, we're looking for sells. And the sells, we want to ride it down to say about here. It could go lower into the purple zone that I've got highlighted. And that purple zone, those are just straight buying locations, right? So that's the vibe that I'm going off. You could put in a sell now, but as it stands, off the short trend that I've put in the market right now, it could push up some more, or it could break all the way through. You don't really know, right? The safest entry points is like what I said earlier, 66.00. I think is a very safe location to think about taking longs. Once again, not a financial advisor giving you financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion based on what I think market is going to do, right? A close below that, because we definitely got that move down here. A close below 62.80. But then price again returned back into the fold of the low volume node area, right? But stayed below the value area low. Okay, so you could treat that, what I've just said there, as its own separate signal. Now, I can't tell you what to do, neither do I want to tell you what to do, right? All I'm doing is just putting forward my ideas, my concept based on how I'm seeing things happen in the market, right? I prefer doing the technicals in this way because I think it gives myself authenticity to say that, okay, yes, I can make mistakes, but bottom line is I'm definitely giving you what I think is the most logical move. I'm not going to sit here and turn around and say that I've got it all figured out, that I'm the smartest person in the room and that I make no mistakes, because those things aren't true. I do make mistakes. There is always room for improvement, regardless of how good I get at this game. There will always be room for more improvement. I know that. And that is what I work off. And this is why I've taken the time. So we're going into another rant again. This is why I've taken the time to produce videos daily, right? Reason being is that I'm looking at different charts every single day. Every single day, right? What do you think happens to an individual that just looks at charts every single day? So I'm a trader, right? So I'm trading oil. I mean, not oil, sorry. I'm trading gold. That's my main asset to trade, right? So when I'm talking about, trading oil, trading Euro USD, these are hypothetical. I'm not actually in those assets. I'm in gold. That one there is absolute. I'm in gold. So when I'm looking at all these charts every single day, do you know what's happening? I'm improving. Bottom line, right? Bottom line. And that is what the main reason why I actually set up the YouTube channel is, that whether I wanted to or not, I'll be forced to improve because I'm doing it every single day, right? It's like a cheat code, right? So with that said, this is the analysis for this week for oil. This is what I think we need to look out for. If these conditions are breached, these are the moves I think we should take, right? And hopefully it's all going to work out. And once again, if you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, feel free to pull it in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. I really would. So with that said and done, my awesome people from all around the world, I will see you all again on the next one.